Hello, you are on Traders Union channel. Today's focus is IUX Market, a Forex and CFD broker operating internationally with an emphasis on simplicity and accessibility. Stay with us until the end of the video, where we will break down IUX's trading conditions, highlight its main advantages and drawbacks, and take a look at an exclusive bonus for active traders. Let's go. IUX Markets has been operating since 2016 and provided trading services to clients in different regions worldwide. The broker allows standard AML and KYC requirements and operates under several regulatory frameworks, which define the conditions under which its services are provided in various jurisdictions. So how does trading on this platform actually works? IUX Markets offers access to a range of CFD instruments, including Forex currency pairs, commodities, indices, equities, and cryptocurrencies. The broker supports several account types designed for different trading styles, including options suitable for beginners as well as accounts focused on tighter spreads. Entry conditions are relatively accessible, making the platform suitable for traders with varying levels of experience. Trading is available via MetaTrader 5 as well as IUX's web-based and mobile platforms. These solutions provide standard charting tools, technical indicators, and support for automated trading through expert advisors on MT5. Overall, the platform setup is focused on core trading functionality rather than a broad ecosystem of additional services. Now let's highlight the advantages of IUX Markets. Regulated operations in multiple jurisdictions, contributing to a structured compliance framework. Access to key CFD markets across major asset classes. Use of the MetaTrader 5 alongside web and mobile trading options. Generally accessible entry conditions for retail traders. Available of demo accounts for testing strategies without real market exposure. And now a few disadvantages. The selection of tradable instruments is more limited compared to larger global brokers. Educational materials and market research tools are relatively basic. Advanced features such as copy trading are not available, and certain account types or services may vary depending on the trader's region. In terms of regulation, IUX Markets operates through entities overseen by several recognized authorities. These include the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA, in South Africa, the Financial Services Commission, FSC, in Mauritius, and the Australian Securities and Investment Commission, ASIC, for specific operations. Regulatory requirements differ by jurisdiction, so available protection and conditions may vary depending on the client's location. In summary, IUX Markets may be suitable for traders looking for a focused CFD trading environment with familiar platforms and relatively simple conditions. The broker combines multi-jurisdictional regulation with accessible entry requirements, though traders should carefully review asset availability, tools, and regional terms before opening an account. For a more detailed breakdown, we recommend checking out the full IUX Markets review on Traders Union website. You'll find the link in the description. It's also a good idea to explore the platform first using a demo account or by starting with a small deposit to get comfortable with its features. By the way, IUX currently offers an exclusive bonus, Lot Back Loyalty Program. Under this program, traders earn reward points based on their trading volume, which can be converted into real cash credited directly to your trading account. These rewards are not subject to additional trading volume requirements and can be withdrawn without hidden conditions, allowing active traders to receive added value through their regular trading activity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Traders Union channel for the latest market reviews, practical trading insights, and key financial updates. We'll see you in the next video.